What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're going to be talking about the safest and one of my most favorite option strategies to use for consistent and reliable profit. What we're going to be doing is cash secured puts, and what this is instead of buying calls and puts, we're going to be writing or selling these contracts to other people. So how we make our money is by collecting premiums for selling these contracts. So we're going to be doing this on high volatility stocks such as GameStop. We're not going to be buying shares because if the stock stays flat like this, it's relatively flat for Friday, this strategy will make you money. As you can see on Friday, the stock was pretty flat throughout the day and I am up $500. So let's get into this. We're going to be going into the options chain. On very volatile stocks, I like to choose a short expiration date, usually 1 to 2 weeks out, preferably 1 week out, just to reduce your risk. And instead of buying, we're going to be selling, and instead of calls, puts. And let's take a look at the options chains. And as you can see, when the volatility is very high, the premiums are going to be super high as well. This means that people are anticipating the stock will be moving up or down a large movement. So what I like to do is I like to choose a strike price that is pretty far down. As you can see, I did the 100. I still have about $22,000 of buying power. I plan to sell more puts on both GameStop and AMC. I am looking at somewhere between the $50 and $75 strike price. So for example, let's take a look at the $75 strike. If we sell this put for next week, we will collect $575 of premium for opening this contract. And what this means, in short, it means that if GameStop stays above $75 by February 5th, we will make our full profit of $575. Now that sounds like a pretty good deal because $75 is a long ways down from $312. And I like doing this rather than buying straight up calls or shares, because if you are buying a call right now, it means that you are buying it at the current price and you anticipate that GameStop will go up from here. So if you buy a call, you're likely to lose a lot of money because right now it's a very volatile period and it can either go up a lot or down a lot. I am also considering the $50 strike, which is a long ways down as well. I think it's very safe. There's a high chance of profit, as you can see, 88% chance. And for this, we'll collect $230 of premium if GameStop stays above $50 by next week. Now what happens if GameStop goes below $50? Well, that just means you are buying GameStop at a cheap price, because if GameStop goes below $50, we will be forced to buy 100 shares at $50 each. Now that sounds like a good deal to me. It is a win-win situation. Either way, you're winning. You're either collecting premium or, well, you collect the premium no matter what. So your cost basis is more like $47.70 a share. So it's either you win on this trade, collect the full premium in profit, or you are buying stock at a cheap price.